Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on Vizio TV. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. Begin by turning on your Vizio TV. Using your remote, navigate to the Google Play Store. Search for the Paramount Plus app in the store. Select the app from the search results. Click on the Install button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish installing. Once installed, open the Paramount Plus app from your TV's home screen. You will see an option to sign in. Select the Sign In option. A code will be displayed on your screen. Now, grab a mobile device or computer. Open your web browser and visit the activation website at paramountplus.com. Enter the code you see on your TV. Click on the Activate button. Log in with your Paramount Plus account credentials if prompted. Once activated, return to your Vizio TV. You should now have access to Paramount Plus content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.